Alpenveilchen, also known as Cyclamen Alpinum, is a beautiful flowering plant that can bring a touch of elegance and color to your indoor space. With its unique foliage and delicate blossoms, the Alpenveilchen is a popular choice among indoor gardening enthusiasts. In this comprehensive guide, we will explore the steps and techniques required to successfully grow and care for Alpenveilchen Cyclamen Alpinum indoors. Providing optimal temperature and humidity. Alpenveilchen prefers cool temperatures between 50 degrees Fahrenheit to 65 degrees Fahrenheit, 10 degrees Celsius to 18 degrees Celsius. Keep the plant away from drafts, heating vents, or other sources of hot air. Maintaining a cool environment is crucial for the plant's health and longevity. Additionally, Alpenveilchen thrives in moderate humidity levels. Selecting the right pot and soil. Choose a well-draining pot with drainage holes to prevent waterlogged roots. Alpenveilchen prefers a slightly acidic soil mix that is rich in organic matter. A recommended potting mix is a combination of equal parts peat moss, perlite, and a quality potting soil. This mixture ensures proper drainage while retaining adequate moisture. Planting and watering. Gently remove the Alpenveilchen from its nursery pot and place it in the new pot, ensuring that the crown sits just above the soil surface. Avoid burying the crown as it can lead to rot. Water the plant thoroughly, allowing the excess water to drain away. Fertilizing and nutrient needs. During the active growth period, which typically occurs in spring and autumn, feed your Alpenveilchen with a balanced, water-soluble fertilizer. Dilute the fertilizer to half the recommended strength and apply it every 2 to 3 weeks. Avoid fertilizing during the dormant period when the plant is not actively growing. Maintaining proper care. Regularly remove wilted or yellowing leaves and spent flowers to promote healthy growth. Alpenveilchen benefits from adequate airflow, so avoid overcrowding and provide space between plants. Keep an eye out for pests such as aphids or spider mites and promptly treat any infestations using suitable insecticides or organic methods. Dormancy and rest period. Alpenveilchen naturally goes through a dormant period where it will shed its leaves. This period usually occurs in summer. During this time, reduce watering gradually until the soil becomes slightly dry. Place the plant in a cool, dark location, like a basement or a refrigerator, for approximately 2 to 3 months. After the rest period, resume regular care, and new growth will emerge. Growing Alpenveilchen Cyclamen Alpinum indoors can be a rewarding and enjoyable experience. By providing the right conditions of light, temperature, humidity, and care, you can witness the beauty of its vibrant flowers and elegant foliage. Remember to be patient, as Alpenveilchen Cyclamen Alpinum can take time to establish and bloom. With proper attention and nurturing, you can create a stunning display of these exquisite plants in your indoor space. Happy gardening!